welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 27th. Market analysis. Trump changed his attitude again. On Monday, U.S. President Trump announced that he would suspend the 50% tariff on EU products. The spot gold market opened lower and went lower yesterday, with a minimum of $3,323.70 per ounce, and finally closed at $3,342.30 per ounce. After the market rose slightly in early trading, it turned downward again, with a minimum of $3,327.24 per ounce in the day. Currently, it is trading around $3,327 per ounce. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.23 to $33.50, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,350 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 3360 to 3370. If the afternoon market breaks 3,323 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 3313 to 3303. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is at a high level in hours and at a high level in 15 minutes. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1360 to 1.1408. If the market breaks 1.1408 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1450 to 1.1490. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1360 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1320 to 1.1280. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar fluctuated at a high level on the hourly chart, and in the oscillating stage on the 15-minute chart, with the oscillating range of 1.3518 to 1.3595. If the market breaks 1.3595 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3518 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3450. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar fluctuated at a high level in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6460 to 0.6495. If the market breaks 0.6495 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6520 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6460 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6420 to 0.6380. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 142.08 to 143.10. If the market breaks 143.10 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 143.80 to 144.30. If the afternoon market breaks 142.08 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 141.80 to 141.40. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.